Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we are here with new scholarship opportunity, that's Turkey scholarship, and it does not require IELTS and TOEFL. So this scholarship is fully funded and you can study in Turkey without IELTS and TOEFL. So we will discuss this in a further detail and will show you live application processes on the universal portal that Turkey has for other scholarships as well. Before we discuss that, you can get the scholarship link from video description below. Please check the video description. Click on the link given there. It will redirect to your website here. If you are new on our channel, please do subscribe and watch full video. Also like this video and press the thumbs up button and press that red subscribe button. If you are new on our YouTube channel and have not subscribed us, also if you are new on our Instagram page, please click the follow button and follow us on Instagram at Full Scholarships. So you can get the link on Instagram also. You can message us and ask for the link. Once you click on the link given in the video description, it will take you to our website here. Once you land on this page, you can read about this scholarship also. We have mentioned some list of universities which do not require IELTS and you can study without these and the universities given here. Also, here is a list of scholarship that we will show you in this application in this video. So we'll show you the application process. To simply begin the application of scholarship, click on this visit here button given below. Once you click on that, it will take you to this registration page. If you are new here for the first time, click on register button and register your account and verify from your email. Once you have your email and uh, details, you can simply use the same details and just go click in login. Once you are logged in, it will take you to the personal page. Before personal page, you can click on home page so that it can show you scholarships. Once other scholarships are available next month, you can apply to these as well. They will be shown here also. This time it's showing the research application. Simply when you click on this apply button, so you must add it to a high school information to contain this application. So now before we can apply for this scholarship, we need to fill these details given here. So let's add one of them, and first we need to add high school education. So you need to add middle school, high school, associate degree, bachelor degree, postgraduate and PhD. So you can start from middle school like your 8th standard. So in which country did you study? So you can say, so you can choose the name. Choose the graduation date, when did you complete that. So you need to add the degree. So once you have everything uploaded, documents, then so have you achieved any significant ranking? So you can say yes or no accordingly, then click on save. You need to add all details. Now we have to upload the high school information. Click on high school, then select the country where you studied your high school. So it's like 10th standard. You can select start date. Then graduate date. You need to complete that. Once you have that, then grade type, your grades, Then upload the certificate. After uploading certificates, select yes or no accordingly. Then click on save. So let's go to home page first and see if we can apply. Click on apply. So we need undergraduate, graduate and doctorate details. So we need to add these details also. Now add the associate degree like 12th standard or diploma if you have any. So you need to upload these details also. So simply once you have your education details complete, you can go to personal information, add photograph and other international hobbies information on hobbies, birth, country, varsity. You need to add all these details once you click on this edit button. After clicking that, save that. Then click on family information. You need to add mother's, father's, sibling name. Then click on save. Then contact info, your current education, your current address and current contact information. Add that also. Once you have that also, you can save that. Then language details, your native language. You can say like if you speak English only, you can say English. Then you can click on save and your education details will be saved like Turkish, English language. I have no language skills on that. You can save that. Then simply work experiences. So you can add your CV or your work experiences. Then academic qualifications. These are not mandatory, but you can still add that. Then social activities. Then Turkey experience. If you have previously visited Turkey, then you can click on my applications. And once everything is done, you can go home page and you can click on apply and you can start that and add other degrees, so your application will be automatically successful. And at the end, once everything is complete, you need to go to my applications, then click on submit. So then you can check status of your application also. And that's it. I hope you understood the process. Maximum students do not read research scholarships. That's why we do not have the details. We do not submit these details as these are basic. Just you need to fill personal information, family information, contact info, education details, language details, work experience, academic qualifications, social activities, Turkey experience, and then submit your application. I hope you understood the process. And we will discuss in this same portal. We will be discussing the Turkey bursary scholarship, which will cover MBBS also, and that will be available in next month, and Turkey success scholarship that will be also available in next month, which do not require IELTS TOEFL as well. We will show you complete bit by bit process, and in that time we will fill this application also. We will fill these details also. Till now you can submit this application. I hope you understood this process. If you have any still doubt, you can comment down below or message us on Instagram. If you are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe before leaving this channel. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.